Hey you guys! Today I have a transfer proof makeup look for Halloween, and this is a super easy look that you can wear with your mask on throughout the party. It's all about the eyes, so that's the main thing that's going to be showing. But we also have the lips covered, and mask on or mask off, this makeup is not going to budge from its place. It's quick as well, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm loving these lenses. This is one of my favorites. I'm starting off with prepping my skin with some moisturizer, primer as usual, and now I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is by Becca Cosmetics and it's the Skin Love foundation. It's in the shade Tan. It's like a perfect match for me, and I love how the foundation is not too thick, very breathable and skin-like, so it doesn't look very cakey. Next, I'm going in with some highlighting concealer. This is by Maybelline. It's called Fit Me and it's in the shade 20. I'm just highlighting my under eyes, the tip of my nose, and also my forehead and chin. Now I'm setting everything with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is also in the shade 20. It's light medium. I'm just using my brush to set that all over the face. So this is basically your normal makeup routine, but now to make it transfer proof, we are going to put extra powder on the area that we are gonna wear our mask. So basically the lower half of our face. Press it in ideally with a sponge. That is gonna make it last even longer. I'm just checking where my mask ends so I know exactly where to place the eye makeup. Next, I'm just going in with my Foccalure palette and I'm taking these two shades over here. I'm gonna use these as my contour shade because I want a more ashy look, because we're going for like a Halloween kind of vibe. It's going to be slightly exaggerated, so my contour is also going to be slightly darker and it's going to make my cheeks look really chiseled in, kind of like a half dead look. I'm just pulling that slightly to give it that dead look again. Now I'm going with a plum shade as my blush on, and I'm going to use this on the apples of my cheek, put a good amount, and also some highlight, just like your normal makeup. So all these are powder products and that's going to work well with the mask. Now I'm going in with this light blue shade and we're going to go ahead with the eye makeup. I'm using this on my lid and I'm stopping where my crease starts. So right where my crease is, I'm going to just put the eyeshadow till there. Really pack that eyeshadow on. After that, I'm going to go in with a plum shade from the same palette and use it in the outer corner. I'm just going to put down the color with my brush, and then I'm going to start to blend it in with a very light hand, slightly extending it outwards towards your brow end and also into the crease. So you gotta just kind of buff it out with no extra color that you've taken at first, and then when you want to add some more color, you can always go ahead and darken that up. And then I'm going ahead and blending it out, and you can also use a fresh fluffy brush to do this. Now I'm going in with my eyeliner. If you are a beginner, make sure you're using a good eyeliner because otherwise it's really difficult to get things right. I'll link it down below for you. I'm simply going ahead and making two circles, one small and one big one, right at the corner of my eye. This is going to be the spider. So once you've made those two circles, you want to start making 3 lines on each side and ideally make small dashes that connect with each other. So it's gonna look like the legs of the spider. 3 to 4 dashes. This is a really basic kids level makeup look, so don't judge me, but I've kept it beginner friendly because I know no one has the time to really paint a whole face, and neither am I that skilled, so let's just keep it realistic over here. Now I'm just coloring in the 2 circles and that is the spider. On the next eye, I'm going to be creating the web. So I'm creating 3 to 4 lines that go outwards like you can see, and I'm simply creating curves in the middle of those lines connecting the 2 lines. So this is going to look like a web. So just follow as I'm doing over here, and if you feel like you want to make it slightly bigger, then you can always adjust it and add more lines to it. Now if you want to go a step ahead and create some shadow just to make it a little 3D, take a dark color like maybe a brown or a black. I'm taking the same plummy color that I used on my eye and I'm going to put that right where the legs of the spiders are. So just under it or over it, wherever you feel like. This is just going to create some kind of shadow, but this is optional if you want to go that extra step. Now I'm using my mascara by Huda Beauty and I'm not using lashes today because we anyway have so much going on the eyes. And then I'm going to go in with a light eye pencil. You can go in with a white one. I'm going in with a silver one over here. For my brows, I'm also going to keep it slightly darker than usual. I'm using a darker brown shade and I'm really shaping them out to be kind of boxy and defined, because of course we're not going for a natural look on Halloween, so you can totally go all out with this. And now for the lips. Even if you do decide to remove your mask to eat or whatever, you still have your lips going on. I'm using this shade by MAC Cosmetics. It's their Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick and it's in the shade Caviar. One swipe and this has the deepest, darkest black shade you'll ever see. And for the final touch, I'm going to be using a setting spray. This is called Bear With Me. It's an 8-hour setting spray by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just setting my entire face with this. This is going to ensure that the powders we have used, even those don't transfer onto the mask, and everything is really skin-like and just set in place, and it's not going to budge. So that is the transfer proof Halloween makeup that I have for you guys today. Here I just have a test to show you guys. This is a fresh mask. I've just washed it, so don't worry. Pressing my mask to show you guys, and I'm just going to show you that there is no transfer on my mask. This makeup is not going to budge. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a like, comment below, and also subscribe and hit the bell button. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!